Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to delete your Amazon account. So let's get on with it. So first go to your web browser and type amazon.com. I'm gonna do that, and this web page is gonna open up, and after this web page opens up, scroll down at last until you see this button called help. And after you see this button help, click on it. Then it's gonna take you to this page. Now scroll down until you see need more help and click on need more help, and then go on the side and click on contact us. Then click on continue your chat. If it's your first time chatting with Amazon bot, you need to click on got it. But if it is your second time like mine, you can click on yes thanks. And over here you can click on yes. And over here enter your reason, like then it's gonna answer you with this. Now you can click on close your account help page. Then it's gonna take you to this website. Now you can click on close your Amazon account. It's gonna take you to this page. Now you can scroll down at last till you see this where it says account closure is a permanent action, and you over here you can choose a reason, and after that you can click on this I want to permanently delete my account and delete my data, and click on close my account, and after that your Amazon account should be closed. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel, because we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe and notification on, and I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.